Back in Essex again, and Jeremy is rolling in recently drilled sugar beet, which is another job for the little Fiat 8065. The 12.8 metre wide set of hydraulic folding Needham Rolls weighs almost 6.5 tonnes and are a good load for the crawler.
We've got the this little Fiat 8065 on the rolls, which I normally use if I can, particularly on sugar beet or any spring roll, and we use this tractor because it's not doing any damage to the soil, and that's quite a nice little job using this. It's got a 12.5 metre set of Needham Rolls on the back that come from Brock's at Thaxted. The rings are wore up, well, they were wore up when I bought them, but that doesn't seem to matter on this field. You know, rolls are rolls, they work, they do a job. But it just shows you, you know, a little tractor like this, quite capable of pulling those rolls, well, more than capable. I'm in third gear, about 1500 revs, and we have had these rolls on the F100, the Fiat F100 on deal wheels, and that tractor can just about pull them. And when I say just about, that is just about. It's all right once you get rolling, but starting off, it doesn't do the clutch a lot of good, I can tell you.